Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your laptop. To get started, you'll need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics an Android device on your computer. Popular choices include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player. These tools let you download and run mobile games just as you would on a phone or tablet. Make sure your computer meets the emulator's system requirements for a smooth experience. Once you've chosen an emulator, head to its official website to download the installer. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts. After installation, you'll typically go through a quick setup, which includes logging in with your Google account. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the Google Play Store, just like on any Android device. With your emulator ready, open the Google Play Store from within the emulator's interface. Use the search bar to find Brawl Stars. Once you locate the game, simply click the Install button. The game will download and install automatically, just as it would on a mobile phone. This process usually takes only a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. For the best experience, customize your controls. Most emulators offer robust key mapping features, allowing you to assign keyboard keys and mouse actions to in-game commands. You can also tweak graphics settings within the emulator to balance visual quality and performance. A stable internet connection is also vital to avoid lag during intense matches. Enjoy playing Brawl Stars on a larger screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.